Hey guys, we'll see how to get 1 rupee products on Paytm. As you see in the picture, go to Paytm app. You have the option of ONDC shopping. Click on that. It'll be right available on the home screen of Paytm app. Once you click on that, you will see here all categories of shopping. You have food delivery also, just like Zomato and Swiggy. If you want, you can place an order. Okay, now coming to 1 rupee products, you can scroll down. Here you see value for money deals. Get best deals at the rate 1 rupee. Click on that. You will see here all 1 rupee products. You can choose any of the product you want. After choosing the product, you can just click on the product you want for 1 rupee. And here comes the details of the product. These are zoff spices. If you want the review, I'll give the video in the description box. You can check out. Zoff is a unique brand of spices which adds to your cuisine's taste. As you see in the picture, you can buy them for just 1 rupee. Now click on buy now and give your address. After giving your address, this is an important step. Here you got to check whether the coupon is applied or not. Go to offers. Here zoff offer, the coupon that has been auto applied, you can click on that and see various types of coupons that are available. Whatever you are interested in, you can click on apply. That's it, done. Now you will get the product at 1 rupee. Click on pay and check out. That's it, done. This is all you got to do. It'll take 2 days of time for delivery of the product. As you see in the picture, these are 3 types of spices you'll be getting. Okay, I'll tell you here one more way to get the products or buy the products at rupee 1 on Paytm app. As you see in the picture, go to Paytm app. You have cashback or offers section. You click on that as shown in the picture. Click on products at 1 rupee. Now let me tell you what is the specialty here. You can buy the products at 1 rupee, or you can buy the products for cashback points. That means you can redeem the points. You all know how you'll get cashback points by playing games and making payments via Paytm app, right? Now click on products at 1 rupee. I'll show you how to buy 1 rupee products from here. After clicking on that, here you can see all the 1 rupee products. You can scroll down and you can click on any of the product you want to buy. After clicking on the product, you see here options are given. Avail for 5 points and buy this deal or the product for 1 rupee. Here I'm clicking on avail for 5 points because I've got cashback points. After clicking on that, you can see here an unique coupon code is generated and it differs from user to user. You can click on copy. After copying the coupon code, click on redeem now to purchase the product, and you will be navigated to that website where you need to buy the product. You can see all the details of the product here and click on add to cart, and later you can go to or click on view cart. Once you click on view cart, you can scroll down here and you see here coupon. Click on coupon code and paste the coupon that has been already copied by you. Now click on apply coupon. That's it, done. As you see in the picture, after applying the coupon, you see the product is delivered at 1 rupee, but you have delivery charges to be paid 200 rupees. If you want to buy the product, click on proceed to checkout. That's it, done. Your order is placed. In this way, you can get 1 rupee products on Paytm app. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Share the video to your friends and family. Keep smiling. Have a good day.